Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the radiator on a 2015 Toyota Highlander. The job is pretty easy, it's just like any other radiator. So here's what we do. Normally there's a cover that goes over here, and for the cover we took it off and we put it here, but this is what the cover looks like. So you take off that cover. Once that cover is off, you disconnect some of the tubes. Also, don't forget those covers because those are also here. But you disconnect the tubes. Once the tubes are disconnected, if you want to save the coolant, you have to put some of these like dishes down, so that way you could save the coolant in case you don't want to put in a new one. Then once you've done that and the tubes are disconnected, you take out the fan. Once the fan comes out, you also have to disconnect some tubes at the bottom as well. But once the tubes are disconnected and you take out the fan, what you have to do is you have to take out the actual radiator. Once the radiator comes out, you put it to the side, you put in the new radiator. We already put in the new one, but this is what the old one looks like. We do that, and then customer also wanted to replace the thermostat. The thermostat is down there roughly. That's where the thermostat roughly is. Yeah, where my technician is pointing. The thermostat's over there. So you also take out the thermostat depending on what the customer wants. And just as a heads up, the thermostat is under the alternator. That's a rough location of where it is, so you most likely have to take off the alternator. But before you do that, make sure you disconnect the battery before you touch the alternator. So just to recap, to take off the radiator, you disconnect the hoses, take off the cover, disconnect the hoses. Then once those are off, you disconnect the hoses at the bottom, take out the fan, and then the radiator should come out. And for the thermostat, it's under the alternator, but before you touch the alternator, make sure you disconnect the battery. Then under the alternator should be where the thermostat is. But yeah, that's how you replace the thermostat and the radiator on a 2015 Toyota Highlander. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.